up, guys? Welcome back to another challenge, and today we are doing the Bean Boozled challenge, and it's your boy Marlson
and Elston.
And you know it's Mars.
Alright.
and we are just trying this because it looks fun to do, so stay tuned when we get this thing started.
Alright, you heard the boys, so let's get into it, and hopefully you guys stay tuned. Once again, welcome back to another day and another video and another challenge, and let's get it.
So, who's gonna go first? Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Last.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
alright,
Go
so
first.
Elston goes first, and Mars.
I go last. I'm going last.
Elston goes first, and who comes second?
Mars.
Marlson's next, and Mars, you'll be the last one. Alright, hold on, let's, are we starting now?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, what do you have?
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
What is it? What is it?
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Alright, so let him pick one. Let him pick his own.
It's this one.
Oh, we should.
So you have two options, right? What's the first one? Stinky socks?
No, Tutti Frutti.
Alright, and so you have to pick a candy and...
That's it, right?
Alright.
What? No.
Yeah.
Okay then.
This
Okay.
one, no, this one.
Okay.
Let him pick his own.
No,
Alright,
it's like this
so
one.
let's see.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Why does it have that? All those, whatever that is.
Fine, whatever you think.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh.
I think I'm
Come on.
a werewolf.
You gotta chew it so we know what it tastes like. You got the good one,
Good.
or you got the stinky socks?
Very good.
What?
The Stinky Socks?
Yeah.
What? Huh? Okay. What?
Okay.
You're gonna cry. Okay. 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 Wow. Alright, you ready for your turn, dude?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for Elston, okay?
Oh.
Alright, so it's your turn, Marlson.
I hope you get the same thing.
Okay, what do you have?
How do you even guess on the
Orange.
Elston?
Oh man, Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
It smells stinky.
I have to deal with me.
There's stuff right there.
Wait, is this one?
Yeah.
Open up. You gotta face the camera.
Oh, Tutti Frutti.
Huh?
Tutti Frutti.
What's Judy? Huh?
Tutti
Oh,
Frutti.
oh. This is Tutti Frutti. This one.
Okay, you're lucky.
Oh my god!
I hope you get
Alright, it's Marston's turn.
Peach or bar?
What?
Peach or bar?
Peach or bar?
You just tell us that I got the Tutti Frutti.
Okay, chew it. What flavor was it?
Peach or bar?
Oh.
Mine's good.
Peach or what? A what?
Barf.
Oh.
Mine's good.
Yours is good? Okay. Alright, we're back to Elston's again.
Ah, that was so good. That was
Okay, what do you have?
Red one.
Red.
No, you have the black one.
No.
Oh, it was on there.
Oh,
So what does it
chocolate
say?
Pudding or candy dog food. I forget about that one.
Chocolate pudding or what?
No,
Dog
this
food.
one. No,
Dog
Dog
food.
food.
no, this one. This one.
Okay.
Dog food.
You gotta chew it.
You're weird.
What?
That's dog food.
Huh?
No,
What?
chocolate pudding.
You sure? You sure?
No.
What?
You're weird.
What? Chocolate pudding? Okay. All right.
Weird. Our friends are gonna be like, what? He doesn't like. Okay, oh bro. Forgot this pen. Ready? Austin Cypher bat.
All right. Let's go.
Okay. Wait. What was that? Is it safe?
I have it
What does
on
it
my
have?
mouth.
It's like this.
Do it again.
Spin again.
What?
Hey, you don't know how to spin?
Juicy pear or
A booger.
booger.
I hope you get booger this time.
Meow.
Booger, 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 booger.
Dude, come on.
Hurry up.
Booger.
Chew. You gotta chew it. You gotta let it stay in your mouth. Come on.
Swallow it.
You have to look at the camera.
I'm gonna go broke.
Don't cover your mouth.
Swallow it. Don't be like Elston and throw it away.
Go, go, go. Go, go. Put it out.
What?
Spit it out.
Put it out.
You gotta what?
Spit it out.
Put it out.
Why?
Oh, booger.
You eating booger? Alright, so it's your turn, Mars. What do you have?
Tutti fruit or stinky socks?
Sticky sauce.
Sit down. Oh, you passed this
Oh, let's go.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
You're lucky. Alright.
Wow.
Alright, you again.
Oh, I forget to.
Again?
That was on the red one.
So, what does it say on there?
Chocolate
This
pudding
again.
or candy dog food.
Huh?
Chocolate pudding or candy.
Boy.
Alright, let's
We're
go.
Elston. We want the dog food.
Dog food.
What?
Dog food.
Dog food. Oh, poor Elston. He's getting all the nasty ones. Elston is eating all the nasty flavors. Alright.
Okay. Wait. Yuck.
Wait, let me hold it for you. Alright.
Ooh.
Oh, you're lucky. That was so lucky.
Toothpaste or berry.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Alright.
Not
let's see.
berry blue. Please, toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Huh?
Toothpaste.
Yes.
I gotta brush my teeth for you.
Yeah, now you gotta brush your teeth for real.
Oh.
Alright, your turn, Mars.
Oh, dude, that's nasty. Okay. Dog food or
Yay. Ah.
oh, I got chocolate pudding.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
My goodness, alright. Let's go again, boy.
Let's get a toothpaste.
Hold it for him.
Strawberry or dead fish?
Oh, no, dead fish.
That's easy. You eat both of them.
Okay, come on. So which one is that?
Whoa, where's? Can I see which one is it?
Yes.
Put it up, Mars.
Table.
This one.
This one?
This one.
Oh,
Ah.
not that one.
Yes.
This one.
Okay.
Whatever.
Hold on. Let him eat it.
I want strawberries.
It's a smoothie too.
Come on.
I still have this toothpaste. It's melting my teeth.
It's good. It's okay.
Hello.
Is it okay? All right, your turn.
Strawberry.
Okay.
But
Good
I'm
job.
gonna spit it out.
Alright. Ready? Coconut.
Coconut or spoiled milk?
Coconut or what?
Spoiled
milk.
milk.
Coconut
Please
or
make it spoiled milk.
spoiled milk?
Yes, it's spoiled milk.
What else? You gotta chew it.
Oh, bite into it.
Yeah, bite into it. What?
Spoiled milk.
What? Huh?
Milk.
What?
Spoiled milk.
I cannot hear you.
Spoiled milk. Spoiled milk.
Oh man. All right, your turn.
It's the same.
Strawberry or what?
Or dead fish.
Or dead fish.
That's mine. It's the fish.
Ah.
Dead fish.
What?
In your dreams. Yay!
All right. Finally, Mars. Finally. Thank you, Mars, for
I
eating
know
that.
that's how I feel. Oh, why does it have to be my turn?
All right, your turn, boy.
Dude, it's already my turn.
Can I forfeit? I want to forfeit. Spoiled
How
milk
many
or
rounds is
coconut?
it?
Oh, coconut. Coconut, coconut, coconut.
I'm going to toothpaste.
Elston,
Hey,
what?
come
Wait.
back.
Come back.
Bite into it. What is it?
Yeah, bite into it.
Ah.
Drink it.
You sure? Okay. Okay, your turn.
No, that was over there.
No,
That
no,
was
it
over there.
wasn't.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Again.
What?
Toothpaste or blueberry.
Lucky.
Okay.
Once. I'm calling.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Oh man.
Each one more.
This one.
That's the.
This one.
This one.
It's not even pink. Oh.
Fine.
Is it okay?
That was fine.
What is it?
All right, your turn, Elston.
Oh,
I'm just gonna do
my
that.
picks.
Mhm.
Boom. Boom.
Burgers.
Ew.
Oh, she's getting the
Why
bad
she's
one.
getting burgers? I'm
I have
calling.
more two vegetables.
Come on.
Wait, burgers or what?
Burgers or juicy pear? Juicy pear.
Burger.
Swallow it. Swallow it.
No.
So what did you pick right now?
Butter, popcorn, or rotten eggs.
What?
Butter, popcorn, or rotten eggs.
Okay, let's see. Bite into it. Chew, 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 chew. Come on, Marlson. Bite into it.
Dude, hurry.
No! What is it again?
Yeah.
What?
Wrong name? I got caramel corn or moldy cheese.
I got.
Just take it.
That's good.
Caramel corn.
You're right.
You're lucky.
I know.
All right, let's move on to
Watch, that's
Elston.
why.
What do you have, Elston? Huh? What do you have?
Toothpaste.
Huh?
Toothpaste or
Toothpaste?
No, it's not that. It's this.
no, it was. I got toothpaste.
Okay, let's try
No.
it. Come on.
That's the other side.
I know, but I got it in my hand.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
All right.
There's fine.
Toothpaste are berry blue.
Okay.
Dude, Austin's such a cheater. Such a cheater.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste?
He's such a cheater. He got,
All right.
he got this and then.
That's all right. All right. What do you have?
Lime or lawn clippings?
Lime or what?
Lawn clippings.
All right. Let's go.
Oh, lime.
Oh, lime.
Oh, lime.
Toothpaste. I'm a toothpaste.
Okay,
What did you pick?
I got moldy cheese and caramel corn again.
All right.
Moldy cheese.
Oh, it's fine.
What?
It's good.
Let's get it.
Pick again.
Let's get what?
Pick again. No, pick the other one. Pick another
Oh
one.
my goodness. Another good one.
Another one.
Another one.
Congratulations. You played yourself. Oh! Oh! I need to get toothpaste.
About time. It's about time. All right.
Elson, your turn.
Last turn for you, mister.
And then my.
Come on. All right.
Oh
What
no!
Tutti frutti.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Stinky socks? Stinky fart?
Stinky socks.
Oh, I thought you said stinky fart.
Because it's gonna stink now.
All right. Let's see.
Did you just,
Come on.
Did you just say my brother's gonna stink now?
No,
Yeah,
my breath.
My breath.
Hurry up. Come on.
Wait, which one is it?
Come on.
That one? Mars, which one is it again? This one?
Yeah, that one. Guys. Oh, man.
My last time.
Come on. This is your last time?
Junior got mad.
Is it good?
Junior's said, why you?
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. It looks like that's the last part of that game.
Hey guys, we're finished with the challenge and don't try this at home because it's really bad. And the only good thing, bean was this one.
Is it blue?
It was fun. And don't listen to him. You should actually try this. Go buy it at your local store and buy it.
It's making nice. It's raining.
All right.
Alright, remember to subscribe.
Turn on your notifications
It's the bell right next to the subscribe button.
Uh huh.
and tell your family to join our family. And
Spam up that like button and
Comment below.
say it louder.
Comment below.
All right.
what you guys want us to do for the
Next
video?
video.
And seal because we're gonna go brush our teeth because some of us are stinky.
All right. Well, thank you very much once again. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
And we have a shout out for Junior.
All right. Special shout out for Junior.
And Auntie Sandy.
And Auntie Carl.
All right.
I got my boy Keani all the way in Hawaii.
Oh boy.
I got my girl Gloria from all the way in Oregon. Like, wait, no.
And I got Jess Noor.
Who?
Jess Noor.
Who's that?
Uncle Paul's son.
Who?
Uncle Paul's son.
Uncle who?
Uncle Paul.
And Junior Lopez, that is a new subscriber that we don't know.
Oh, okay. All right. Well.
And
Thank
Julia
you.
Lopez. So
All right.
Thank you, Julia Lopez.
Okay. Enough. I want to close out the video already.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
That's a dead talk.
Shout out to this Bean Boozled
All right. Thank you. See you later. Peace.
Peace.